Isang maligayang masayang hapon po sa ating lahat. In behalf of our Honorable Mayor, Francis Zamora, and our Honorable Congresswoman who is likewise here with us, Attorney Bel Zamora and si Councilor Bea de Guzman. Thank you very much for inviting us to this wonderful event. It is an honor for us to be invited. I'd like everyone to know that si Chef Lau was my high school classmate way back in high school at the Ateneo, and I am always honored to be invited to events here at Chef Laudico Guevara's. Chef Laudico Guevara's is already an institution here in San Juan. Wow. And when it started way back, kailan ba, Chef? When did
13 years ago.
13 years ago. When Chef Laudico Guevara's opened 13 years ago, we were all very excited, but we all did not realize that it would become this popular and this big today. Chef Laudico Guevara's is one of the most popular, one of the more popular, or if not the most popular restaurants here in San Juan. It has already been a landmark here in San Juan, and we are very honored to have Chef Laudico Guevara's here in our city. And today, we celebrate yung ating dalawang chefs who were awarded in culinary...
Chef Princess and Chef Mark.
Chef Princess and Chef Mark, who were awarded recently in Australia, and showcasing Pinoy talents. And for the whole month, sabi ni Chef Lau, we have them with us to share with us their expertise. So excited po tayong lahat na matikman ang kanilang mga culinary delights. So once again, thank you very much for having us. Congratulations Chef Lau, Chef Jack, and the whole Guevara's family. Mabuhay po ang mga bagong San Juan, mabuhay ang